Pictophones are visual characters that represent a sound. All Aboard Phonics uses them as an aid in reading practice. Each phoneme has a corresponding pictophone. The key is that the starting sound of the pictophone name is the phoneme that it represents. Let's take a look at a few together and I'm sure they'll start to make more sense. So this is the ox in red socks and he represents the phoneme O. This is the wizard with a lizard and he represents the phoneme W. This is the Zuto from Pluto who represents the phoneme Z. Okay, so it's your turn now. Here is the goat in a boat. Which phoneme do you think he represents? It will be the phoneme G. Here is the eagle feeling regal. I bet you've got it. This one represents the phoneme E. There is just one pictophone per phoneme, despite having variability in the graphemes. For example, the eagle feeling regal that I just showed you always represents the phoneme E, no matter how it is spelled. Some experienced teachers feel a little unsure about this at first, however, say that once they get used to the pictophones and see how reliable they are for children as a consistent visual prompt to the phonemes, they're a real success. You'll see that we use our pictophone characters in a unique way in our intervention programme All Aboard Phonics Plus. Here we have whole words presented in what we call trainer text. This is when the pictophones are floating above the letters. You will be amazed at how this can revolutionise a struggling reader's approach to sounding out words. We've all seen children get stuck on was, sounding out w, a, s, was, which absolutely should be phonetically correct. But once we add the trainer text in to provide a visual prompt to the correct sounds, they can correctly sound out w, o, z to reach the word was. Over time, the brain automatically maps these letter to sound patterns and the trainer text can be taken away.